Hi everyone, it's Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made these cute paper clips using stickers and UV resin. They're actually really easy to make and fairly cheap. But before we move on, let me just say thank you to all my viewers for voting yes for me to make this video on my community tab. Anyway, let's get started. I'm going to pick out several sticker sheets from my sticker storage book. I do have a tutorial on how to make this. I'll put the card up in the upper right corner and also a link to the video in the description box. I'm going to be using epoxy stickers for this project to make my life easier. I'll talk more about other sticker options later in the video. First, we are going to mount the stickers sticky side up on these reusable gel pads that I love to use for resin crafting. This is optional, but because my stickers are slightly translucent, I'm going to paint the back of the stickers to increase opacity. Once the paint has dried, I'm going to glue on the paper clips using UV resin. Flash cure for 5 to 10 seconds using UV light torch to keep the paper clips in place. Then I'm going to dome and embed the paper clips with more UV resin. I did add some glitter and a tiny bit of purple pigment. Now, why the purple? Because my epoxy stickers have yellowed a little and the purple tint will neutralize that yellow tone. So, color theory to the rescue here. Okay, so this is where I kinda messed up. My dome resin overspilled a little bit because I made one of the 5 doming mistakes. Watch my video on that so you don't ruin your creations. Luckily, I was able to rectify it by cutting off the drippage and sanding the edges down. So, other sticker options. You can use non-epoxy stickers, but keep in mind that UV resin shrinks as it cures, and depending on the brand, the shrinkage can range greatly. Because stickers are thin, the shrinking can cause them to curve and bend, making them difficult or even impossible to dome the other side. The one I'm using is low shrinkage, so they didn't shrink too much, but you can still see that these are a bit wavy and distorted. Also, these stickers are made of paper. If you are using paper stickers, you must seal them with decoupage medium before the resin to prevent the resin soaking or staining the paper. This is quite a hassle for me and extra steps I don't want to take, so that's why I try to use epoxy stickers. Also, let's talk about plastic stickers. Some plastic stickers are made of polypropylene, and resin will not stick to this type of plastic. Here I used polypropylene stickers, and you can kind of see that the resin is starting to separate from the stickers. Also, try to stay away from foil stickers as the heat from the UV resin curing will wrinkle them. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys like these paper clips. I enjoyed making them since they were easy and stress-free. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!